So today I'm installing this beautiful wig. The vibes are coming. The vibes are here. Okay, they have arrived. I'm installing this unit from Nadula Hair. They were kind enough to send over this frontal red, black, burgundy, ombre, highlight unit, and it's giving. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, on my channel I do wig reviews, hairstyles, beauty, you know, makeup tutorials, all that good stuff, some lifestyle and vlogs as well. So if you guys like what you see today, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can come back and see some more. Okay, so yes, we're gonna install this unit. I'm gonna stop talking and we're just gonna jump into the installation, and then I'll come back and let you guys know some deets about this. Alright guys, so now we are finished with the installation process, and what are you guys thinking? I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. I'm loving the side part. Have you guys noticed that I've been doing a lot of side parts lately? Wink wink, but I still love my middle parts, okay? Don't get it twisted. But I do think this looks really, really cute. I love the very loose but big curls. I got this look using the curling one that you guys saw earlier. I'll make sure I link that below. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, this was honestly very easy to install. I did bleach the knots off camera. The plucking that you guys saw me do, which was just literally right in here in the parting space, that's all I did. I didn't do a whole bunch of plucking because I knew I wasn't going to expose most of the hairline, so I just focused on what would be seen. It made that look, you know, natural. It made it look like we got some scalp showing in between these lines here, and it looks good. I also went ahead and cut a little layer over here on this bang, so that way it didn't just like fall all the way down to the bottom of the hair, so we could have a little cute style fun bang here. So mind you guys, this is a frontal, so you can do middle, side part, or whatever you want to do, because you got some hairline space to work with, some frontal space to work with, so you can get the style that your heart desires. Trying to think, you know guys, this unit really didn't give me many issues. You know, Nadula hair, their hair is usually always good quality to me. In my opinion, I like how full it is. The density is really, really nice on it. I love the length for the density. It all matches perfectly. I didn't have any tangling on it, a little bit of shedding, but I think that was just because of like it being colored, and then the places that I plucked it and then just combing it out, it was tangling just a tad bit, just a tad bit. I will say that it was tangling a little bit, but nothing too major that I couldn't, you know, fix. And I don't feel like I'm going to deal with any tangling going on now, but love the color placement that they have put into these units. These are so cute and unique, and I think it's a beautiful wig to wear with honestly anything. You can make this wig look real good. So you guys let me know what you think about it in my comment section. I want to hear what you guys think. If you are interested in this unit or any of the units that Nadula does offer, make sure you check out the link in my description bar. I have a direct link there for you. And that's really all I got for you guys today. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.